In this video I'm going to talk about the best proxy. Unix remains the best proxy to use ever on surveys. Now first, let's say you have a new profile signed in, and then the first thing you have to do is navigate through this route. So this is how you see your dashboard when you sign in for the first time. Click on those three signs there, then click on buy proxy. For surveys I would recommend residential proxy. Sometimes ISP, if you're lucky, they give you a residential ISP, but that is based on luck. I will not recommend that. You should try that. But if you want to try it, it's good and fine. You click on England, and this one is an ISP, is not this thing. Now when you click on England, the possibility is that they will give you any ISP. They might not give you a strong ISP. They may not give you a strong ISP, and it will have bad fraud score. But let's say right now like this, you always have a trial. So these are the free proxies they have available. Free proxy service online. So this one is a free proxy. You can use it, but these ones are not guaranteed. You are just using them for test purpose. If you have not used a proxy before, yes, I will advise you that to use them and practice how they work and everything. You get? You're free to use these ones for testing. You can use them. But now let's go to the main deal. Let's go to what has brought us here. Let's go back to the main deal and what has brought us here. So first, I'll go back to the main page. I'm back here. So now I'll click on these three lines here, then I'll click on buy proxy. I'll click on buy proxy. When I click on buy proxy, I'll come to residential and click residential. Now choose traffic. I will scroll down and choose, I want to buy 3 gig. That's $7.50. Price per gig $2.50. So now Unix has a problem of draining very fast, and in this video too I'm going to cover that part that will help you now not drain your Unix gigs very fast, so that you will maintain it very smooth and use it very easily. So I'll click on buy. Then now if I want, I'll change the number of gigs I'm buying. But let's say I want to buy 500 MB. So this is for test purpose. I want to buy 500 MB. Or I want to work with pay as you go. Pay as you go, that's $3. And I think this is just a gig. But I will not do that. Instead I will go with 3 gig for how much? For $7.50. But for this purpose, I just want you guys to understand how the whole thing works. So I will go with $7.50. I will click on pay, then I will pick my pay method. Always go with crypto, because sometimes if you choose your bank card, they might come and charge you in a way that you don't want. They might come and charge your card when you don't expect. So now I will click on pay. So when I click on pay, I'll click on the currency I want to use. I want to use LTC, which is the Litecoin. I'll click on Litecoin, then I'll click on proceed payment. Now in this proceed payment, you can see I have the amount and the blockchain here. I have the amount and then the wallet address here, the blockchain address here. So for you to not make a mistake, always copy the exact amount they give you here. Now I will then go back. Let's say I'm using Bybit to make my payment. I will come back to my Bybit. I'll allow my Bybit to load. So now I'm having $9.22 in my Bybit so far. Now I'll come on asset. I'll click on asset. Then I'll click on withdraw. When I click on withdraw, I'll click on crypto withdraw. I'll click on LTC. I'll click on chain. Then I'll come and paste that amount here. You see? Then I'll go back to where I'm making my order and copy the wallet address. Come back and paste it here. Then I will choose. Then it will show. Now I will proceed to withdraw the LTC. I'll click on withdraw. It's loading. I want to confirm. Now Bybit always have this thing. So I'll click on get code. They will send the code to my email. I'm waiting for the code. So if let me check if I don't see the code. Let me check. I think they have sent the code. Bybit, yes, Bybit have sent the code. The code is 364118. So I'll come here and fill it. 364118. Then I will click here. Then I will go to my Google Authenticator. I'll go to my Google Authenticator. Then I'll pick. Then no. Let me wait. This is almost finished. I'll click this, copy it, and come back to my Bybit, and then I'll place it here. Then I'll click confirm. Submit successfully. Okay. I will then come back to my Geonix and I will wait. So once the payment falls into this account, I'll see it. Once the payment falls into this account, I'll see it. So I'll wait for the payment to be confirmed. So while waiting for the payment, I'll pause this video, and once the payment is confirmed, we'll come back and then you see how it is, because I don't want the video to be too long. So now the payment is successful. So now have you seen payment is paid and you have successfully paid your invoice. So now we'll go back. Your order successfully paid. You see, dear customer, first of all, we express our gratitude, blah 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 blah. So now you come to, now your proxy is ready. You click cancel here, click here, and all I want you to do is click on login. Now you come back to your profile, then click on residential order. Then you see your 3 gig. This is your 3 gig. You will see your 3 gig. So now this is how you do. Now that you have your 3 gig, the first thing you do is turn this thing to sticky. Come to filter, click country, start checking to access United Kingdom or US. So since most people love doing United Kingdom, I'll go with the United Kingdom first. I think I've passed that. Okay, United Arab Emirates. I'm looking for that. I will definitely look at United Kingdom. Then I will select the region. Then I will select, let's say I want the city. I'll look for it. So let's see, I'll go with Woodford Green, ISP. So now ISP in Woodford Greens are not much. So I'll still come back and look for a popular city to see what will happen. Okay, let me go with Manchester and check ISP. So here I have good ISPs. I have a lot of ISPs to pick from. So let's say I'll go with let me go with Vodafone UK. Then I'll click format. The format I want my IP port login then password. I'll click there. How many ports do I want to produce? I want 10. Then I'll click create. So once I click create, I'll come back and be waiting for okay, I did not enter the name of the list. So let me put a Kings. I'll click on create. Okay, now Kings has been created. Now you can see all. So now if you look here very well, these things are proxies. These things are proxies. These things are proxies. So I will then pick one out of them and take them to where I will then insert it. So that is how you do. Now this video is getting too long, so what I will do is that I will just take about the super proxy I want to give you so that your data will stop draining anyhow to another video, and I will make it for you next time. But if you don't know how to buy a proxy, I think this will help you out very well, and you know the process and you understand everything properly. Don't bother yourself. I will delete everything here, so don't bother yourself stressing your eyes. Everything will be deleted. Thank you. Do not forget to use the affiliate links to get a lot of discounts. Do not forget to do that. Then subscribe, hit that like button, and follow us for more setups like this.